What are megapixels? A pixel, or picture element, is a tiny piece of information that gives a digital image its intensity or color. A megapixel is 1 million pixels. Megapixels is also a term commonly used to evaluate digital cameras. The number of megapixels indicates how high the resolution of the images will be. The more the megapixels, the sharper your printed photos. Thus, the number of megapixels helps determine the quality of the photos you take. How many megapixels do I need? Choosing a camera with too few megapixels may mean that your images are not as sharp as you would like. Thanks to advancement in technology, even cameras with higher megapixels are very affordable these days. If your images are only going to be used for emailing and on your personal website, then you can settle for a camera with fewer megapixels. However, for photos that you would want to print, you should go for higher megapixels to ensure good quality prints. Here is a guide. 5 megapixels and below, good for emailing and small size prints. 6 to 8 megapixels, good enough for larger format prints such as 8R or A4. 9 megapixels and above, excellent quality prints up to 20 inches by 30 inches or poster size. This is when you can really enjoy taking good shots for all occasions and be sure of high quality prints. As an added assurance, look for a good brand so that you'll have no regrets. A brand that specializes in cameras is your ideal choice. Megapixels is just one important criteria for a good picture. There are other important factors to consider too. So watch out for more tips on how to choose a digital camera. Have fun!